Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, if any one of you sneezes, let him say, Al-hamdu Lillaah ala kulli hal. All praises are due to Allah in every circumstance. Let those who respond to him say, Yarhamukallah. May Allah have mercy upon you. And in response, let him say, Yahdeekumullahu yuslihu, baalakum. May Allah guide you and set right your affairs. In a different narration, the same utterance is mentioned with the difference that you should say, Al-hamdu Lillaah. So either say Al-hamdu Lillaah when you sneeze, or Al-hamdu Lillaah ala kulli hal when you sneeze. Those who hear should say to you, Yarhamukallah. May Allah have mercy upon you. And you, in response, you should say, Yahdeekumullahu yuslihu, baalakum. What a beautiful interaction between Muslims. This shows love, togetherness, and mercy. We are actually praying for each other. You thank Allah when you sneeze. And your Muslim brother prays for you so that Allah can guide you. So Allah can have mercy upon you. Then in response, you actually pray to Allah so that He can guide him and set right his affairs. So either say Alhamdulillah or Alhamdulillah ala kulli hal. Then the one that responds would say to you, Yarhamukallah. May Allah have mercy upon you. And in return, you would say to him, Yahdeekumullahu yuslihu, baalakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.